There is a new kind of message that is going viral on WhatsApp. It is an APK file of an app, which is named Apple Pie. Last night, my friend messaged me to know more about it, and he was concerned whether it's a Trojan app, and can the WhatsApp data be leaked using this app? Let's find out more in this article. The app might not steal your WhatsApp or your personal data from your mobile phone, but it is still a dangerous app. Apple Pie APK is more of a prank app that changes a few things on your smartphone to embarrass you if you're in a public place. How does the Apple Pie work? When you tap on the Apple Pie APK in the message in your WhatsApp, it will ask to be installed just like any other app. But before you do that, the Android system will ask for or permission to install the APK file from unknown sources. This is your first warning that you should not install all APK files required from third-party sources other than the Play Store itself. But many people are familiar with installing APK files on their mobile phones. It is more likely that you will agree to install the app file just out of curiosity. Once you do that and install the app, on opening the app, you will see the photo of Steve Jobs and a button on the top left corner, which says, Continue. When you tap on the Continue button, you will start hearing in the voice of A, which is quite an uncomfortable sound, especially when you don't have the headphones on and you are in a public area. Because you cannot mute the sound by simply turning off the screen or tapping on the back button to get out of the app. The only way to shut the sound is go to the recent app and close the Apple Pie app, or put the headphones on. But, in a panic like this, only some people would be able to do this, which means guaranteed embarrassment for the rest of the people. If by any chance, if you manage to shut down the sound, the embarrassment is not gone entirely, because the app also changes the lock screen and the wallpaper of your smartphone with an inappropriate photo. So you will have to make sure that you do not access your phone in front of anyone else, because I can feel the embarrassment. Also, if you happen to get a call from anyone, the sound will start again, since the app also changes your phone's ringtone to uncomfortable audio. Even if you uninstall the app by app, you will have to manually change the wallpaper OK on the homepage as a screen lock, and also the ringtone. How to keep yourself secure from such apps? The best way to keep yourself secure from this app is to ignore such messages and not download them in the first place. If it gets downloaded, make sure you do not install it on your phone. Because while it is just a prank app to make you feel embarrassed, the same method can be used for doing even more damage. Because if the app managed to get permission to send SMS, your OTP isn't safe. And if it gets the permission to access your contacts and media files, then they too can be sent to a remote server, and might have tightened the security E of its operating system. But it cannot do much if you yourself fall prey to such things. Another thing you can do is do a Google search about the message you receive. Also, please share this article with your friends to save them from embarrassment.